Yo, you don't know it's a girl Shana represent the SWAT team. Dr. Love, Fret them, Pretty Girl Star. You don't know. If you follow people, you're not gonna ever reach nowhere. Do I make you happy? No listen what them a say. Same old say yes and no. No make them stop your flow. Tell them chuck off, cause the whole of them fit.
And see our attitudes stink. But in our mind, we're the happiest as a person. We still don't think about our last night did nice. We still don't talk about how we are left work. We are think about how we are gonna leave work and gonna enjoy ourselves. But we don't know how our attitudes stink. So sometimes I click in my head, I'm got a Jamaican restaurant them now. Like New York and Bronx and them place there. So the Jamaican girl them. See them here? What you want, sir? No, we're not a curry good, sir. No, and I'm full of attitude. I'm always a customer. Now I start experiencing I come to Jamaica. I'm everywhere I go. So the girl them here. I go KFC yesterday. One pretty brown girl, you know. I say, do you guys sell any fish sandwich? Sarah? Yes, a fish on the board? I bite my tongue, you know. Can them time I know ready. Them time I get pink in my bag. I take off my bag off of my neck. See, here he goes, Paminsky. He says I was mean as hell, but I got way better now. I got a KFC, you know. I'm pretty brown girl. And she has sell me chicken. Mr. Torres said, do you guys have any fish sandwich? Because I don't eat meat. And Pinky, I might eat the KFC. Someone want, by the way, anytime I give nobody money for gas shop, nobody no bring back change. I know why I don't know. I get Pink, from yesterday about 10,000 Jamaican that I get Pinky and I don't get back no change. To them, I go up on the road and gas, I kill me because I do the photo shoot. I never want to eat nothing. So I don't nothing. Gas start take me up, I get get in the water. I look at me, I fish and can't swim. I never drown. But a lucky thing, so I can't swim because gas take me up. I get Pinky 1,000 and I buy one soup, come give me one fish soup. I don't get no change. Yesterday, I go KFC, I get Pinky 5,000. When the woman said to her, I said 4,000, 3,000 add for the box, no change. I said, Pinky down the road, go buy something, not change. You for stop it. When people go to money, you must give them back them change. Me used to do it with my auntie, and I tell her the reaction is a hell of a thing. But I now wild Pinky because I know what she going to do. It's Friday now. She going to say to me, so cause you know, I left something give me cause. I going to say, yeah, mommy, that keep track by you. I going to say to her, so cause it's supposed to reach 15,000 Jamaican dollars. I want me transfer that, that's 150 US. You did well for yourself. And on top of that, you take some of my things out of my suitcase, so you're supposed to get tip. When you give back people, them change. But anyways, me at KFC, and to the girl, yeah, I say, hi, do you have any fish sandwiches? Sarah? Is the fish on the board, sir? I know why I lie. So I said to her, I said, well, can you explain the box differences? Because I said 13 pieces and whatever. So I said, what kind of sides coming out? Sarah? Sir? Everything up on the board. So she give my attitude. So I take off my look across back. I'm not like fighting her clothes. Me I get a girl. Me not fighting her clothes. Anytime we are going to start fight, we take off a shirt, we take off a pants, I will take off a wig, I will take out the ears. Because two things is either borrow clothes or our best outfit when I want to tear up clothes. Because we Jamaican not afford for tear up clothes. And I like a friend we can tear up clothes and go teeth it or we can go borrow it. Jamaican run some. Me not fighting on my clothes. From me I got primary school and camper down. Me not fighting her clothes. Me not fighting on my tunic. Me not fighting on my uniform. I ever take off my uniform, me I go fight. I'm in my tights. I'm a look at titty blows under. I'm a sneakers. Me not fight. So I start take off the shirt. I have one yesterday. I have a look at white t-shirt and one Gucci sweatpants. So I take off the top now and say, all right, I eat this. So Pinky take over and start cash now. Because Pinky know what to do. So Pinky start cash. And Pinky so I start get upset. See the girl to me. Markie, I follow you, Markie, I love me. Can I get a picture with you? See me with you. I'm confused. I'm ready for start strip and go on bad. The girl anger me in the line, you know, people. The little girl, I say little girl, brown and pretty, she anger me in the line, you know. I ask the girl for fish sandwiches, then myself fish. I tell her, I said to her, just explain to me what company side, because I see I pay chicken. And she say, she depend. Crispy or original. Crispy or original. So I say, what are the sides? Because Pinky, them are going to eat the chicken. Some people me can't eat the sides, like the potato or the coleslaw. When they're on TV, me can't talk now.
More chicken there?
Yeah, go and go yam them. Mommy, RJ, go in your fridge. Go eat the chicken.
RJ.
Me said, so me I asked the girl, say, explain to me what upon it. She a give me peer attitude. Then see her. Markie, me follow you up on Instagram. I like him. Want a picture, please. Peer attitude.
Why you come up with water already?
See me as a little girl, come outside. Come outside in the picture. Let me take the picture outside. Cause outside, I want to take the picture. Cause I want to beat you up first, then take the picture with you. I want to take the picture, the whole of your ear tear out. And for your seriously, she's a man. I don't know why Jamaican people have a nasty look on them face. We have a nasty look on our face. And me not realize until it started. Because when time is, I would never forget, you know. Mommy, I give you like chicken?
I want piece in it.
Come and see in my box. I want piece in a go on. Tell the people them bye.
Bye.
Jamaican people have a nasty look on me. I remember, what go on, Kels? I remember when we did that foreign. When I just got foreign, then time I just got Jersey, country as hell, look Jamaican as hell. And I used to go party with Fent and them. And one night, without some club in New York, you know, I'm used to that, just waste my life and go party and enjoy myself. I'm in that one club ready for go home. When me a party with Andrew one got 10 club in a one night. But that's our regular thing. But then night I just never had feel it. Me never have an appointment hour, but me just leave and go home. Hear him now. Then me glad me my distress ready for go home. Them time the New York cool, you know. I'm a Havan. Barely Havan a good jacket. And Mr. Andrew ready. Hear him. Hey cuz, this is my friend. This is Andrew. Who did introduce me to Andrew? He was introduced me to some bitch. Who was it? I mean, the girl a good friend now, you know. Anyways, I'm going to introduce him to the girl. See me, huh? You know ready? Him shame like that. He not talk to me for a couple weeks straight. Him walk and complain to everybody. He's so rude. I will never take him nowhere again. He's very rude. I go like if me at Walmart and him say somebody and I say hi, how are you? You know it's common courtesy to introduce each other. Me always have a look at my face. How she look so? I'm in a whisper when time me a chat people. Them ever have a problem when time me a chat people because I'm in a whisper. But now that I come back to Jamaica after all these years, I realize we have a nasty look on. Mommy, I realize that Jamaica have a nasty look on them face and I look on you. Jamaicans.
Oh, no.
See? Them I know.
Oh, baby.
I go over ghetto yesterday. So then, first of all, I go over ghetto the whole community come out. I mean, everybody wake up out of them bed. And them stand up outside. Nobody not talk. Everybody just look for you. See them here? As the moment, just what go on. See them here? But they are broken hungry and stressed out. No, go on to pick them money from last year. Nobody not answer me. Only for ease on yourself, you know. But anyways, I wouldn't trade Jamaica for the world. I wouldn't trade Jamaica for the world. The only person I know no one girlfriend is my mother. Mommy have her visa. And mom would have never come a foreign. And she want me bring the whole of foreign come give her. Look at but mama say for her house look better than look at all them posts your mommy have in her house. Them pillar yeah. Look at mama furniture them like a, you know them you ever see the African movie them with the rich African people them? And my mother have her good visa and she no want come and from. I say, mommy, any day somebody find the passport then. Me I tell them for travel upon it and me I pay for them come upon it because you're not supposed to have visa and no want come and foreign. Everybody wants to come to America, but I'm telling you, Jamaica is a beautiful country.
Nothing corona.
Mommy, right up tell like from last year, me I tell you for come and friend, you say you not come. You guys have a beautiful country. Jamaica is very nice. The only problem is the politician them. I them a mash up Jamaica.
The gunman them, we are clapping.
You know, gunman I forgot one then.
Chance stop.
People, I want to explain to my mother, say, you guys need me in the streets. Not everybody needs to go to college. Every day my mother tell me, say, Mama, where you want to be?
A child of God.
What happened, Joey and Colorado?
You type in Jovial Markie, what come up?
You.
Mama, who should have put them something? Them can't watch them. 10% them for black them from YouTube. Them supposed to watch Man Club Monday. Who tell them to type in this? Mama, tell person for black them from YouTube. Wanna go on downstairs?
No.
Go on downstairs.
My uncle is so mad right now. That's not nice. Run on.
Where Keisha said Andrew? Oh, Mama, Keisha said if I'm gonna be a pastor. Mama, tell the truth, where do you want me to be?
What do you mean choose?
Well, the first thing Mama want me to be a Christian.
Oh yeah, that's all.
Mama, I am a Christian.
Really?
Mama, I am a Christian.
You know what it is.
Mama, somebody wrong.
See, you know if I don't know.
What?
Guess my sister will tell me so me I tell her she on phone and tell him man of leave. She said me feel like you can be a counselor.
So me to be a counselor?
Yes, you be a counselor.
But this is my job. I tell the females them worth.
The lady asked me, she said, why me think you take different man so? I said, maybe true, she said, mother cross that single mother. Me just feel like that and me can't think nothing else.
No, but on a Jamaican parents, on love telling the pitney for go to school. Go do what? Look here. People, let me show them my degree. Because I see me up on the internet and things I'm careless, you know. I went to the University of Technology, Jamaica.
I'm graduate with honor.
I'm a graduate with honors. Look for me, I graduate.
They say I owe that now.
I'm never forget the Armani suit, yeah, I know. But mommy, I don't feel like them life they cut out for me still.
Tell you, I foreign change you. You ain't decent?
Me still decent. What don't tell my mother some decent now? Mom, why do me?
I tell the people and say.
Yeah, go like to shit down me, you take me out and wash me off. People, you know, some of my mother have me as one carelessness.
Yeah.
My mother really have me as one big carelessness. Mommy, listen, let me explain it to you. Because we never have this conversation. Every day my mother cussing at people because she want me to go to church. But I'm telling her that I help a lot of females. I watch how she...
No, I don't have a problem. But guess what? It's just they behave sometimes.
How me behave?
Because they call the people a bitch. I hate it.
Mom, no, but Americans call each other bitch. Because you know, we out here with us say, why go on girl or goodie? Americans use the word bitch. More somebody company life explain to my mother. Because my mother feel like I'm a vulgar.
It's real life.
My mother feel... Mommy talk the truth. You know, me are the best fit you have. President be better somebody better than me. My sister worse. You never hear me talk about my sister because my sister civilized, past civilized. Me are the only careless one. Me just outspoken.
You've changed.
Me a long time me a drunk mommy. Because I'm telling the people, my mother didn't know so me they go grow careless because I remember me and Pinky used a thief out of the house when me at 14 for go dance. And my mother used to broke me up when she wake up and not see me in the room. Come on in the room and not see me and see someone gonna dance. You know what she was early, camp on days. No, about 15.
No! Unless me are foreign.
You did that when you did that on the farm, mommy, them tell me, you know, long you're really fast. Me, you know, but Press used to beat mom used to go dance with Pinky too. Mommy from about 8th grade me I go dance. Them tell me that you did that foreign.
Not 8th grade.
Mommy, I'm from 8th grade me I go dance. But you never know. Me used to hide my clothes on a Pinky.
I'm not 8th grade, oh God.
Listen to me. Mama watch Renee up on the live.
Which Renee?
Renee from UTech. Renee, my fat friend.
Oh.
Listen to me. My mother used to beat me when she see me teeth out. First of all, my mother used to live at church. My mother live at church.
No.
Wait, let me explain and give them the history. Me used to live at church with my mother. From me a baby, I watch my mother tarry on the altar. At the altar, I grow.
That's a lie.
Mommy, when I was as young as I can remember, you was in church. They me a baby, that 6-year-old me a baby. Me a long time, you go to church, you know?
Mm-hmm.
My mother holy Christian.
About 5-year-old.
Holy Christian. Me I tell you say.
When I church and come back and say, shall I pray for God change? I thought you'd be a pastor. Honestly to God.
You want me to be a pastor?
I thought you'd be that.
But I am technically a pastor, mommy. Technically, I am a pastor. And I tell you, so one night, one big dance I keep, you know.
Night and morning.
But you know what, we call it night, because night food we are Jamaica at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning.
Morning, 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock in the morning. Me I tell a big dance I keep. I would never forget, give mommy for the day there. And I say, me follow Pinky got town, Pinky do I ear. And me did buy one. No, my brother did come from foreign and bring clothes to me, because then time the hoodie I wear. And President bring some foreign clothes. Because I used to wear my brother clothes, because I did fat. Mama, me fat picture them there. Go for them, let me show them what we did fat. And I say, people, I'm ready for the dance. I set my phone for alarm. Wait now, the dance name roll out. Every year, them keep it at Bubble Hill. And me gonna show me no one T4 because mommy knows me that go to dance, so she make sure say she sleep. When me go through fear room for go out now, she make sure say she lock the door so she have to hear when time me I go out. Then she said to myself, say, mommy can't see some dress and tell me some I got to dance. So me I just wake her and say, mommy me I go when my soul come. I just got to dance, go look and come back.
Now you can't sleep, you look good.
Yeah, me to her. Mommy, look at my clothes. Me look good. Me I got to dance with Pinky. Mommy say, if you think about come out here. Mommy say, if you think about you know which got the answer.
What that? 26-year-old.
Oh.
You was 26.
Then no, me wasn't so.
Me say yes.
No, mommy, I wasn't 26.
I never forget that.
Listen.
I didn't hear before. I didn't see him here ago.
No.
Yes.
That was.
I said yes.
It can't be that, mommy.
Then like X-ray.
People, me say, mommy say, me go take off my clothes, come in I got to dance. A bala, all me here.
I know that's a real.
My brother, him a laugh after me. And him laugh after me, all me here the dance. I did selected, I can't tell you when the dance nice, and when you hear the selected the pan, watch the one over there, so, watch the...
No, really.
In our ghetto, when time dance I keep in our ghetto people we can't hear everything. Cause when time dance I keep dance not nice nowadays. Cause dance not nice nowadays. It was so nice back in the day because we used to have video light. Why don't stop have video light? And so we used to watch the dance and see.
Real laugh till daylight.
We used to watch the dance and see what what enemies say. And when them step on the video, we'll come back next week for them. So the week there. I already forgot the dance because I know it's a war go on. Me was village. Me always was village liar. And I want to see who go war. I want to hear me say the dance a big dance. And mommy said to me, if you think about it, come out here.
And me ball, you know?
Oh.
Me ball living in the water. Mr. Say, look how can I bless you. Boy, I'm going to man.
I can't be there for go church the next morning. But me used to go there. Me used to T4 and go dance and then get up and go church. If not foreign, at Shelly. Every Saturday night we go dance and Sunday morning I meet at in a church. I praise God and I enjoy myself. I never forget God still. But I just know me the band for in the world. Not in the world, but for go party. Because none of my family in a party. My brother deacon. Mommy, you have a ladies ministry?
President.
My mother the president for the ladies ministry. And me just grew up to be different. Me just grew up to be different. So, mommy, I have to just understand so God get everybody a different blessing. Right now, my brother, well, I know people. Right about now, my brother have about 6 degrees. I don't know what president I go back to school for. He might go tell me if he say why me not go back to school. Mom, what president I go back to school for again?
Counselor. And pastor.
Me know me never make for go school long.
You're a liar.
But me did naturally bright though, mommy.
Yeah.
Me never used to study because I'm here already them used to do a party.
That's it. You were naturally.
Because when we come on to group
You
work,
just take it for your uncle. That's it. Everybody said they take it.
but people, my mother want me to be a pastor. She will want me to go back in a church. Mama, but I am in the church. I still go to church. I'm there. My church is Agape. You serious today? I'm serious. She look nice.
And it's a bit of there.
Which Annie? Damien wife? Mr. Damien yesterday. Damien look decent. He have good work.
Yeah, I'm a chef.
He look good. Can be maga when me I go away. He look nice. Damien look very nice. But people, I'm happy to be back home in Jamaica. Jamaica is beautiful. 2 years when I come at home, mommy. I come at 2019. I came October 19 or 18. 1 year and change. The people them just want some money. I don't know me say I go to Jamaica. People them want some money. I don't know what I take for the people them just. I not get the money yet. Ah, Jesus Christ, mommy. You know what I'm going to give you. People, why Jamaican parents love money so much? Renee said, as at 8 o'clock, Sandra said, come home. So Renee up on the live, mommy. As 8 o'clock, Sandra said, come home. People make a reason why Jamaican parents love money so much.
I used to go and dance and when we come in and none.
Oh.
No.
We used to go, you know, we used to let my clothes in a pinky and then go to dance and come back up in a dirty old clothes the next morning. Like, me just go to go sleep. I'm go for Margaret. When we used to go for Margaret, I don't want to go dance.
No, that's sweet.
Me used to go for my auntie.
No, you go at every dance when I'm there. When me come, you can't go.
Nah, girl, them used to tease me. People, my mother used to go up on the farm work, you know. And she used to go in February. And mom used to come back December. From February to December, every dance, no dance, no miss me. And every war starting at the party, I make it start. It's a Christmas time when the real hot dance them start. And Sandra come from foreign, we can't go no dance. People, at the mercy of God make stress not kill me and take me. You know, me used to bawl when our grand market night come on, me have to get up and go to church, I watch night. And then Pinky then come tell me, say, see and dance, ram. You want to see the foreigner and walking her clothes, she come like, me I forgot to dance, go catch what the people them have on. Me I forgot to dance, go see what the selector say. Me I forgot ear, because me used to par with Pinky, and Pinky was one of the hottest girls I would be, everybody eat Pinky.
And she and Sashna.
She and Sashna. Pinky and Sashna was the hottest thing I would be. Them not going to admit it, but I argue them name, the divas. And so when the divas are come and dance, is when the divas them come in at the dance and me come with the divas, them still let them depend the divas them there. And every crew going in the video like go mud them. Every crew go in and me make everybody eat Pinky a bull bake and me tell Pinky for me go for Pinky yard, mommy. Go look on the whole of the picture them like the clothes, mommy make Pinky wear. Me say I got foreign. Me beg the whole of my cousin them clothes to come give Pinky. When me care them come out here, I can't tell about this the clothes them wear. Pinky the hottest thing a bull be. It's when Christmas time come and me can't go to dance. Stress would have kill me. Stress would have kill me when time I come at Christmas time and me can't go. Then mama bring pair foreign clothes to me, you know. But me can't read the foreign clothes I'm gonna dance before go church. We go church Monday our youth fellowship. No FCH. Wednesday a prayer meeting. Friday a youth fellowship. Saturday night a practice for choir. Then go see me a dance, you know. And then Sunday them come see me pan choir sing.
You don't want to put choir too, like.
Me go pan the youth choir. I hate it. Yeah, me did it pan the youth choir. Mama want me do this in a church and I say Christmas time I pay at dance I keep. I was so mad.
I would have to do the Holy Spirit.
Yeah, me was a good Christian. Me even feel.
Hello. Everything in your pocket just fly away.
The night when I get filled, I still have the Holy Ghost.
You know, God don't take you back.
Mama talk to God. Mama don't believe that God talk to me. Mama don't believe that she alone God talk to. Because my mother holy. People, my mother holy. Let me tell you something, I can't do me nothing. Because my mother, before something do my mother will call me and she will tell me, say, God say, Sandra holy, she holy. I feel I have the same spiritual strength like you, mommy.
You feel? You feel?
Mama, I have the same spiritual strength like you.
You wish. Can't read it? Oh.
Mommy, with the kettle there.
Which kettle? No, what can I see this up?
I want some tea, I don't know what kind of. Once you see me a chat, I don't know, so I go want tea. So who the pan the live?
In my house, you know.
What? The milk?
I take a wipe out yet.
Makisha is supposed to be here. Shelly is supposed to be here. Melissa is supposed to be here. Andrew is supposed to be here. And none of them have reached Jamaica yet. Makisha and Shelly, which part of the day? Makisha, I'm see you up on the live. Why are you not in Jamaica yet? You don't share the milk, mommy? Me tell us if you not turn over my milk, mommy. My phone not go dead. Mom, what you do with the bar and you no drink? What you do with the bar and you no drink?
What's wrong with you? Let me some about This is just a mess.
Me not take them off of the bar. Me the people them see me. Your house nice and clean. Your house look better than for me house that are foreign. When you don't go like you not have no money.
You must have a long time back.
You long time buy it, you? I don't buy money by them. So me not buy no furniture. Me don't want no furniture. And furniture can't live in. I will not loan. Jamaican people alone collect themselves for furniture. Me don't want no furniture. Me want to take the whole of my money and enjoy my life. It mess up bad?
Yeah.
Me don't want no furniture. Me say we not kill up on us about who have good fridge. Mommy have. Me tell mommy first of all, my mother TV have camera. Me even knows a TV come with camera. My mother buy the prettiest of furniture them. Look here.
Stop.
My mother buy the prettiest of furniture. And me don't want no furniture. Like me, I enjoy my life. Me I take my money, I enjoy my life.
Like, you gotta find go learn to do. Go do real estate. I'm not even one house in yourself.
Mom, me not sell no house. But me sell confidence. Me tell the girls them some man clown days done. I eat pay me. I said money ya fight me for now. You see you with my business man say you want your Kyle? Real estate could have paid me so.
Not fair.
Mama, real estate never ever pay me so.
Allah, you tell me you could have my house, you don't have a house already.
Me don't want a house, Mama, I enjoy my life. Me don't want my house purchase. Because first of all, I can't sit in the mama settee. First of all, I can't sit in the mama settee, you know. Look here, people. My mother have about 20 cushions over there in her settee. I'm showing them. Look there. Me can't go over there go sit down. Me can't go over there go sit down. Me don't want no house. More enjoy my life. Me don't want no furniture. Me don't want no figurine. Me don't want no... Look here. If me think me about touch one of them glasses, say me I go drink water out her. People, first of all, this have key pan it lock and key. Me don't know why every Jamaican house have this. My mother have a table about 12 seats round there. Me can't sit down on the table them eat. Me can't go to the woman's settee. But me don't want no house. Me want to live out a door and wear clothes and boot and live life.
They don't save no money.
Me not save no money. You come and get deaf. Every day she tell me to save money. Me for put up money for me not put up no money for rainy days because when rain a fall I go in go sleep. When rain a fall I go in go sleep I find me live. Government to give a shelter. People, mama have about 3,000 glasses in this and I can't drink out there. Look how mama say tea nice and fluffy and nice. I can't sit down night, but the woman worship our house. Me don't want no house. Me don't want no house if I do where I live. I want to enjoy my life. I want to travel the world.
You did it already.
I want to look nice and live and enjoy my life.
You look nice already.
I want the surgery.
You can't look nice and feel.
I want to do my body. That I just say it there. I don't want the furniture. When I can't take the whole of them, because I move north. I move north. I live at Jersey. I live everywhere at Jersey. I live at Jersey City. I live at Orange. I live at Linden. I live at Rahway. I live at Elizabeth. I live at East Orange, North Orange, everywhere. Right? I'm left and go New York. Now I'm at California. And then I can't move and go somewhere else. I don't want no furniture because I don't want when I'm ready for go, I pack my little doggy bag. Me have to try sell bed. Me have to try sell chestnut, whatnot. Me have to try sell lamp. Me don't want no. Me just want clothes and shoes. And me just want travel. Me just want a passport. Once I have my passport, I'm good. Yeah. I don't want a big house. I want a one room because one room is easy for clean. Because from me a little pit me a clean house. Me don't want a big house. Look at my house big.
See, and go for Margaret and move barrel. And I see.
Mommy guest room look better than my whole house. Me don't want no furniture. Me don't want a big house, yeah, my love. Me don't want them. Because Mom, my house not have half of what you have in here. Look at my chandelier. Me not see them something in a people's house. Them pole, yeah. Me never see them pole in a people's house. Me not take my money to do that. You see, money we spend on this moment, me that travel 6 countries already.
You don't want to go nowhere.
Why me can't want to go nowhere?
You didn't promise me, say I said we're going to interior the career. They don't remember.
But why you don't want to travel?
What you do?
People don't take no money and furnish no house because listen, you see, nowadays, you can't live in one place, you know, and so you want to move go somewhere else.
If you...
You want to move go somewhere else. And by the time you're ready for move, you have to try think about furniture. You know what cheap you don't want to move because I don't have too much furniture? I don't want no baggage. And I pipe?
You don't have to drink that.
I don't want that then.
So, are you getting?
No. Me water they in there already.
You can't catch it for your beard.
A long time my mother stay saying, you know. Hey, remember when I used to ghetto and mom used, you remember Christmas time when it was big competition. That's why I love ghetto, you know. A big competition for who for house nice and clean and who have the better spread. Mommy, have a ghetto. You used to kill up on yourself Christmas time for the house look nice. Not mommy, you used to have good things. Because remember I find you used to carry on things from. Not you. I thought the ghetto people them.
Yeah, what you say me?
Not you. I thought the ghetto. I thought my ghetto family them. No mommy, not you. After a long time you carry on foreign things. But remember when they get to we used to have competition for who for house can look good and we don't have certain people who also look good. My mother ever win, Sandra ever win. Because first of all, mom used to make we clean the house from the Saturday before. We have to do deep clean. We have to take down every figure. We have to take out every plate out of the cabinet and wipe them down. We have to take out everything. Wash them, not wipe. We have to wash them. And mom used to have some nice big spread that she bring from foreign. And if you think we're bad, even pass and so we have pass and make us sit down and touch it. We have to take off the sheet. We can't sleep and cover with the sheet. Mommy used to bring some foreign plate and we can't use the foreign plate. And Mommy, we couldn't touch nothing there. Mommy, everybody know that. That's a book. Nobody could come in the house come touch nothing. Only your foreign friend, your church people. They used to make come in the house come dine and wine.
That's a lie.
People who could have gone in at mommy house.
One thing with my kids.
And we could have touched nothing. I don't know. I never saw people live now, but I don't worship house. I don't worship vanity. And mom, know some stay from me at picnic till now. Me will have anything she can from foreign come give me. By the time she come back again, she not see none of them can me give her the wall of man. She used to broke me up. The whole of my cousin used to wear my clothes. That's how we grew up. Cause we grew up poor. No, we start out rich. Cause we just.
Start out poor.
No, man, when Trevor go up, Trevor used to send pay a barrel.
Anytime you have baby, say.
You know me a baby? My father used to send a whole pot barrel. Cause I'm telling you something. And that's how I used to LA gear and filler and good things. And then my father that foreign now and him start, you know, in foreign people, foreign man got, Jamaica man got foreign, them take care of them youth for the first 2 years. Is it the 3rd year? We not hear from them because them have new woman, new life. And we go through peer separation. My Christmas I went time I used to go get wear and left clothes. Do they happy like me? Me used to love wear and left. Me used to have a cousin named Dean. Dean used to wear the latest clothes. When him done with them and give me them, I make them look brand new. And that's why when God bless me now, I can buy things. I buy good clothes. I buy dear things and live life. I go travel. I want to be from point A to point B. Me so yeah. How when people clothes big it have to fit me. My brother used to go college at Fran. I mean that high school and person carry clothes them come give me. My brother 3 times my size. I'm gonna make that fit me. Who act like me in a dance? Nobody can know say I rear and left me in a dance. Cause me I carry them gonna Janet make Janet take in the pants foot. I'm a actor dance. Me was the artist thing I would be in a dance. Me and Pinky asked them. And that's why when life, God bless me in a life, me not forget where we come from. We still can come back into the ghetto and come eat local mackerel and tin food and local family them. And know say I just saw life go. Because me always have a giving heart. You saw a tea for the whole of the things them. When time mama like carry barrel. Mama me used to tea for the food them go give Pinky them. Me I tell you. We used to bring all the barrel of rice and flour. And mama would share them barrel them bag of rice and everybody get them little bag, you know. And me With the teeth pinky in them and get extra flour, extra rice, extra this. By the time March come, nothing left in the bar, I start calling Mommy. I say, Mom, we no nothing for eat. Say money at Western Union. A long time I go Western Union. A long time I live good life. Every week Sandra used to say my money come give me.
You know, spoil.
How about that?
Why are you freshener something?
Yeah, but Mommy air freshener. I never see them air freshener yet, Mommy. Are we get from foreign?
No, pause. But I don't see the work on it. You must come out there.
But anyways, I'm tired. I love y'all. I hope you guys are having a good quarantine. Only in prime time, somebody said we're Petrina and Sanya. I'm somebody that from Bulby. No, them say Nadia and Sanya, I mean. The two of them, they are foreign. I can't believe Shelly is not here, Mommy. Shelly was supposed to come in. But I miss the Jamaica life. I feel like somebody want to grow up rich. I'm glad someone grew up poor. Because poor life used to nice. Grew up in the ghetto life used to nice. This sound crazy, but I used to love when war go on. When war go on in the ghetto, we don't run, we had no run, go look on the war. I went shoot at a go on, we are run, to shoot or go look at who dead. And we are live to tell the tales until I wish gunman shoot who. And then war start again and the community hot and police and curfew. Them life they used to nice. Poor life until we don't have nothing. We used to just near mackerel and rice and dumpling. Them life they used to nice. We never used to suffer with food. My mom used to always have a lot of grocery. Our grocery used to serve from February, go straight back to December. We still have extra things in the barrel. So our yard, everybody come near out of food. President, the whole of the football man them on the field. And then me and Pinky and the whole of we pay food. But poor life just used to nice. Now that sometimes when you get successful, everybody just bad mind you. I didn't even know your story and want to kill you. Bad mind you and just want to kill and I didn't even know your story. I don't even like money life. Because everywhere I go, I have to walk and look left and right. I don't like money life. I love the poor life. Because poor, you don't have nothing. You don't want nothing from me. And you just live free. Mommy, sometimes when you're too successful, it's stressful. The happiest days of most people's life are when them not have nothing and them just have each other. Not too poor though. Not too poor like the country days poor and them evil. Because some people have got through sufferation, some real sufferation in Jamaica, you know. Remember until 4 weeks to sleep on one. Right about now. 4 weeks to sleep on one bed. Right about now, I have one big bed at LA. And I say, right about now, it's a king bed. I go switch it for. 4 weeks to sleep on one bed.
I'm take the room and make it part in a two.
Mama part the room in a two when she get two bed. We live over the side there. The good. No, Mama live over the good side and she used to call it scheme and we live over the bad side. That's how poor we was. And Mama used to give away lunch for cargo school.
Bag juice and overnight food. Tell them.
Bag juice and overnight food. Overnight food not bad. You know, so Shelly not eat overnight food? Shelly not eat. Mickey and Shelly don't like overnight. I mean, you know all of them food over there. When we used to eat meat, we used to glad one time Shelly them cook rice and oxtails because they have overnight food. Overnight food, nothing nice like overnight food, so I would not talk about.
I never like to cook in my bedroom.
Are the air freshener?
Air freshener come out there.
Maybe it have to steam up first.
No, it used to work. It used to just
When we used to go Harborview Primary, first time we used to go prep school and then I have to tap because mama could afford to send me. So my brother used to go prep and my uncles, because Derek used to always want to live good life and go college, you know, mama, because Derek used to introduce me. You know, when they glad when Derek they came and go Portmore for go live. Them kind of people left to get, you know, my boat, a long time my boat see.
See, I'm not sure the chair.
So me I tell you no. So me I tell you no, I'm sitting on the woman bar chair, you know.
And I turn it over.
Mama, me barely catch on the chair.
No, that's not nice.
Mama said my mama shop her chair. Me not even like steal. That's the idea time I go sit down with a door, you know.
You too right.
That's the idea time I go sit down because I cannot sit down in my mother's house comfortable. People. But listen, when we used to go primary school, Mom used to give us lunch.
Not every day. When we can, no, if you tell them about that kind of car, so you tell me I go look for you.
Oh, I never get to look for her. Mom used to give us lunch for her go to school.
Now you go to the doctor, take me healthcare and like people in the doctor.
And me used to go Harborview. We used to go prep school and we have to stop because we couldn't afford it. And then we used to go high school and my uncle take me to Portmore. I'm living in a nice gated community. My town well far in our uptown up. And then I used to feel so good at weekend time when they come let me if I come and get a car. At them time I know something I like uptown life. Because when I do over there, we lock up in our community scheme. We didn't need know the neighbor name. Papa San used to live in the same community, a couple of houses beside me, and one gospel singer, they live right across the road. And no look dancehall artists live in our community, I see them, man. Nice, rich community. I mean, my uncle a good, big manager, Glina. And we used to, me and my cousin Kimberly. I don't know if Kim's still alive. Me did go live with them because they did take me, because they never want me grow up bad and turn good for nothing at the ghetto. Because then this is my bride. And me look just like, me look at my father and me look just like my uncle Derek. And him take me because they want me to live good life. And they want me to go. He used to drop me at school. At them time, I don't know not about people for drop you at school. And him come pick me up. And then the Derek used to give me enough money for lunch money, you know, mommy? Hey, me I come from $100 for go to school to Derek used to give me all, no, not $100, but $50. We are talking about $20 we used to get for go to school. But 20, they give me $20. But when I give me $20, we get lunch. When I give me $50, we have to buy lunch.
Lisa said, $50, I say, all right. When them left school, we feed them $50. But when you compare fear, we get $200.
Exactly.
With them and show me what fear they get.
Right. My mother used to say to me, she not give me no $200 because when I get too much. Well, but one time them used to get the whole of money. We never used to get so much money. That's all me know.
Remember this work I used to do. Tell people.
Me know so them, we the poor. Poor. Whole heap of poor. We never did poor. We the whole heap of poor.
Yeah.
And my uncle take where we got me. I live in a good community. He used to drive Chris car. He might drop me off at school. Nobody no boss to let me a camper down. And when time when back to school time, him can we go school. Him can we go town. And me get John Sport. Hey, me the glad uncle there buy me John Sport, you know mommy. And Clarks. And me I tell us them time and they look a Reebok one strap bag. When I go live with my uncle, it's a rich life take me. Nice life, but stress. The other part on the rich life, boring. No dance, no that Portmore. Him no want we take bus on the Afro Tree hypeness. Him want pick we up. Him want we go back a Portmore right up. Then time me and Kimberly we want to take bus in because we want to go downtown and we want to stand up and we want to go Afro Tree, go take coast and live, get a life. My uncle and my live them get a life, them want to become decent civilians. And then tell them I know say the rich life is not for me. The poor humble life. I don't want poor now, but you see the simple humble life, I like the life. I don't like the hypeness. Me hype? Mommy, not embarrass me, sir. People tell the truth, my hype or my humble. Me not humble. My mother said I'm very hype.
Look at me say Anna. Because Anna not have laugh when she call her name.
Shelly. Mama add Shelly. I'm mega add Shelly. Mommy, I am very humble.
Mr. Rihanna up here. Rihanna said, oh, you're so neat.
Mommy, me humble. Jesus Christ Almighty, to the Lamb of God, what an embarrassment. It's my mother embarrassed me on the internet. My mother said my hype. Shelly say hype. Shelly me eat you.
See that risk, you know what I mean, humble?
Let me say my only son hype because I'm a vice. I am very humble people.
Colin, is it your stepson humble? Mr. Reed?
It takes a humble person to come on the internet and tell them them sufferation days. Because enough people act like to them born in. Mommy hear Andrew say I but a little bit up with a little dapper for humble.
That's so good.
A lot of people when they meet them say, Markie, I never know you were so nice. Me treat people very nice. Me just loud and some boisterous. Just exactly, just like you. Oh crap, the photographer some for sending me email. Is somebody on the internet that waste my time? I'm gonna send it to you, Pedro. You see, mommy, a lot of people say I'm humble. Somebody say you're extra.
Alright. I thank God for that person. Mr. Reader stepson humble.
Oh.
Jovi.
If he humble?
Yes.
Yes.
Exactly.
You're a hypocrite. You can't say Jovi.
Mama humble. But Me not have no shame, so me can tell people where me I come from. Cause nobody from me little bit, nobody can cuss me and tell me about myself. Cause when time me I go cuss you, cause me couldn't trace good enough. So me I go cuss you, I make sure I tell you everything about me first. So when you cuss me, you're gone empty, can have nothing to tell me. I saw me cuss people. Me tell you everything about me first, and then we cuss you. So.
Remember the video the woman?
Oh.
The cocaine man behind me.
And she cuss me off.
She did cuss people. I cuss the people, their family them.
But you know, like time I always want to on TV, mommy.
I tell people.
I always want to on TV.
Me don't know, tell people that.
Me always want to be Wendy Williams. And look, I'm come and have a big careless show just like Wendy Williams, Man Club Monday. Man Club Monday was a mess, you know. Sometimes I'm embarrassed to watch Man Club Monday. I was a mess. Pure.
See.
That's why people always ask Markie, why you don't keep Man Club Monday? I had to stop Man Club Monday because y'all never knew what was happening in New York. I never talk about it, but Man Club Monday used to cause holy power.
That's true.
It's like Man Club Monday will come on, I will talk, everybody busy. See, by the time Sunday keep and dance, keep war start. But listen, I'm going to start back Man Club Monday, but I'm going to do it in a more decent. Me I will still be careless, but me I will just help females as I used to do. Yes, mommy, I stop me on my track. Because look at me, I tell you, I'm humble and decent. Mommy say, I'm not humble, my hype. My dress hype. But when people stop me, I always stop and say, hi, how are you? People always say them afraid for say hello to me because them think me that will embarrass them. And you know, them say to me, say, after mommy, them say, you're nice. Me, I try to convince mommy, say, I'm humble. Mommy say, I'm not humble. But everybody say them need Man Club Monday about mommy.
Go to God and go to
You need to be in love and hip hop with Spice. Andrew say it's Shamar for me.
See,
Mommy, you don't want to go on TV? Them they call me, you know, but I never get to finish it. Or me forgot which name they know. But I believe that we as Jamaican, we don't need to be embarrassed about where we come from. We don't need to be embarrassed about where we come from. It is the best thing to struggle. It's not a good thing to struggle, but it's a good thing to know that you have a past. It's a good thing to know that you have a story. Because we generation always want to look like so our life is perfect. We have the best life. No, but me not perfect. I mean, I have the perfect life. It is okay to be vulnerable and share. You don't have to share everything with people, but you have to be truthful to yourself. Don't fake the funk and act like so you have it all together. Your life is perfect. You have a lot of money. But I am a counselor, mommy. You gotta be transparent. If you're happy, you're happy. If you're stressed, you're stressed. If you're broke, you're broke. If you're hungry, you're hungry. That is just the truth. Why you want to be something else? Just be yourself and live in your truth. And if you're hungry, tell the people say you're hungry. If you're not on clothes, you're not on clothes. If you have clothes, you have clothes. I don't say truth. I mean, I have nothing for shame. I mean, I have nothing for boast about. Because I'm broke and hungry and poor. Nobody can know because I ever look good. I'm telling them, I used to have people, I used to take people clothes and wear it better than them. And I look and see people who used to have a lot of money and have a lot of things and now them broke and hungry. So on your way up in life, you still have to love people and show people love because you may never know when you're going to need for them help. Because I mean, we used to get enough people used to have money. I thought have money like crazy. I used to beg them lunch money. And right now, I give them money. And I bless them and them family. So don't be too mean to people. But nobody take advantage of you because Jamaican people, when you act like you're too nice, them text it from you. But don't go like you want to hype on people and stop act like say some people your life is perfect when it's not. It is okay for people to know that you're not gonna go on. She's sick.
She's sick? What is it?
Pinky that tell me, but when you say she's sick. It's okay to really and truly be and at the end of the day, we are Jamaican.
See, I'm going to promise the girl money that's in come here.
What promise her money?
The day when we don't have the water.
I asked for her yesterday because I was send her money go gear, but I forgot. I never bring no cash for me.
Data nice, and little data nice.
But we don't want me to talk to the people, them. Me I tell them to be
She come on the
humble.
shop for it, that me I tell you.
Oh, she?
No, Beverly, she didn't come on the shop for it.
When, yesterday?
No, when you did promise her, I feel so bad.
But listen, you gotta be
Hello.
nice.
Before me forgot, Sasha said to her, I said, she have something for her birthday because she's not supposed to make it. I don't know what's family.
She was part of my group.
Me know.
When we're poor, we are very humble. But when time God bless we, when God bless we change it to something else.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna watch enough people
like.
like. I'm gonna watch. Mom, me not forget. I'm going to church every Sunday.
You pay tithes? You don't do nothing.
I pay tithes. When me used to go, I get them.
You're not supposed to pay tithes in church. In church, you're a millionaire. Pay your tithes in your church. You know, Malva? Every month when she works, she take no more tithes. Because she says she pay for a poor church.
Mom, I'm not the church. I'm going to more.
You know what? Where do you come from?
Hey, remember that holy body that me can't manage her.
The pastor towards the ceiling.
But listen, y'all. When you're up in life, bless somebody. Take care of the family them before you take care of a friend them. Although some man don't grow up good in the family because some family really take advantage of them. But I believe you guys need to be humble and take care of your family. And may I come? Treat people nice and take care of people while you don't have it. Some man that friend have whole heap of clothes. Send the clothes come give on a cousin them one time when you don't want them. Send barrel and food come give the people them because they really appreciate it. Because I don't know, nothing now go on for some people. I don't know some people don't depend nothing on Jamaica. So they can't really forget one again. But at the end of the day, y'all gotta keep it real and truly be transparent and stop make it look like say on a life perfect. I wanna have a bag of money one time when I know someone don't have it. If I broke, I broke. If I not have it, I not have it. That's the truth. I don't know if I fake it. I don't know if I act decent and act like things are going. If things not going, it not going. That's the truth. Katie and says some family are drunk. That's the truth too. Some family really sugar, but I not carry grudges.
That's true.
None of my family them like, but them can't do better. Them can't do better because them have to beg me and depend on me. I'm still give them $150 now drop my pocket. I have to still take care of them because God will bless me. That's why I'm not going to mash up. I can't mash up. God will bless me. Because if nothing not go on, I can always, you know what? You know what? You know what I'm So, be good to each other, Jamaicans. Especially the ladies. I want y'all to live good with each other. Ladies, please love each other because y'all know what y'all go through in this day and age. Females, be nice to each other. Females, treat each other nice. Stop having grudges against female for material things. It's stupid, it's stupid, it's stupid. If somebody has a Chanel bag, you can get a Chanel bag. Okay? I go email my photographer and go talk to my mother. Mommy, I talk you want talking about money you want. You want your original.
None of that. Everything you know. Good night, darling. You really are listening? Watch him.
Oh.
Angela.
Which Angela?
From Greenfield Road.
Oh. Mama, I love money. Jesus. I want to expect me to love money.
I'm going to tell you I.
What's up, granddaughter? When you saw me love money, I'm going to take it off for other people. This morning, me asleep, and my mother come wake me up. See, Ann, where money you promise me then? Eh? I come to spend.
You promise me not get me money yet?
I might even 2 weeks make your money, but since me there, I forget it now. We can go up on the road and we spend it together.
No. See, that's where we go.
So when I forgive you the Kyla money and then when we go up on the road, you can spend the money there.
See, Ann, me have things to take care of.
You know what I said? Jamaican parents need to stop stressing them. Look at people. If one fat night come on, I give my mother my money a day before this, and me always take care of my mother, you know, but me feel like so, mommy, you have a different love for money, mommy. You and your family have a different love for money. Me don't know how to make up so. Can me love money, you know? Me love money, but me not even beat my mother. Hey, people.
Yeah. What I want to hear. Here.
Oh.
Angela Grandpini scream because Margie goes hi to her. Yeah.
Mommy, your friend them stop stressing me. Listen, yeah.
So we are stressing.
Sometimes I tell mama, I say, Mommy, let's go here, let's do this.
Angela,
Mommy says, no, can't go nowhere, give me money. No, can't go nowhere, give me the money. I tell Mommy, say, I'm going to go to the spa. Mommy says she don't want to go no spa, no park, like, she go get the money. And you know the truthfulest thing? If me give my mother $1 million.
Hello, I can't walk yesterday. I mean, I forgive people on the phone.
If me give my mother $1 million, she not satisfied. Jamaican parents love money. So all I know, we have no parents and not take care of the parents. Please, me I beg you, give them mother something. Yesterday I come from foreign. And the first thing my mother said to me, so give me what I forget now. So I said, Mama, we are go for the barrel, the man rated. Mama said, I'm not talking no barrel. Give me my money. This morning, me asleep. Because through me the LA time, when everybody at Jamaica asleep, me just a come in. So this morning people after 6, Sandra come wake me up. Wagwan, sir, give me my change now.
Hey boy, I just have video. Me never know say when people are coming from Alberta today.
My mother love money different. Sandra love money. Me don't know about food no matter, but my mother love money. My mother love money different. Different people. Me never seen nothing like this yet.
Me never know say I'm going to not live.
And Sandra have no use for money. Mommy not have no use for money. No use. Mommy not have for money more than buy things put in our house. Or can't walk. Me can't even walk in here. Mama house full of things and chuck up. Coupon spread. A 1 green and white spread me have. 1 green, no lie, me the teeth and blue one. 2 spread me have and look and spread the mama have. What make your mom money? Me know what mama do with money. Mama, what you do with money? Mommy, you save? Mama, I wake up president stairs. Mama, not show off the internet about save. But president, if you come back me up. Me don't know what mama do with money. Me don't know about food. One of my mother alone stays. And my mother alone love money, sir. If me carry my mother go to a restaurant, no, mama say for gear the money she go home go cook. When mama come and foreign calling for me, say, Mommy, let's go to the mall. No, let's go to a nice fancy restaurant. Let's do the spa. Mommy don't want to do nothing something that mama that talk about money. Every night a Sandra wake me up. Me never probably take care of my mother because I feel like somebody have to take care of her, but me don't know. Them parents and I see my auntie them still love money. If we don't give them money, we'll cost them. So yesterday I put up a live and my auntie I cuss her son. Say him that friend and not mine. I like, oh, him supposed to man. I mean, no sense send money come here. Me not ask Christ, them pop barrel come here. Them send all the things come get Lisa. And it's still not enough. Today about 50 miss come get from granny because she want money. Jamaican parents love money different. When they love money different. President! President! Alright, my brother downstairs and hear me. President, mommy said she save money, are you? Yeah, him say to make him show me. Show me up on the internet, she show off. I tell the people about say she save money and she not love money. President, come here, come save me. Hey, President, this morning me asleep and mommy touch me. Somebody knows your mother really sick, President. Your mother wake me when I'm asleep. Aye, give me what me I get now. I mean, I sure mommy different. Me have to pay. Me have to mind she. And then me have to send different money for the things I'm in the house, you know. Jesus Christ, people. If when you hear some mash up and the money and the clothes and shoes mash me up, because I have wheels and wheels to forget clothes. I can't beg. My mother go mad me. Right now, my mother have 2 cars in her parking lot and she tell me, say, no, they're not good. I'm not saying nothing to the van them. I never seen nothing like this yet. Mama have another Jeep. Press my next van name. Mazda van. And Sandra said, none of them not have no use. I'm not saying nothing to them. Sandra want bigger Jeep. I'm going to tell Sandra say 1 car I have a foreign. Me give up. Me give right up. And you know what she tell the people in my Western, what she say Western Union Prezi? She said, me can't send a little bit of money come get it because the people in my Western Union say your son rich. And that she tell me now. Tell me now. Hear her to my body. See, and I can't send a 250 come give me because the people in my Western Union say you're rich. Them say I'm not supposed to come back and call them a little bit of money there. You know, everybody at Jamaica know me because you go put me on internet what they say. You can't send a little bit of money give me. I have to send clothes come give me because I have to look good. I can't dress anywhere go on road. When Colin have the hey, listen to me. It's when time when I have it, no make the parents of my Jamaica stress on out and make on do what you're not supposed to do. Because if you follow them parents, I will sell drugs at foreign, will sell weed at foreign, we go walk and thief and pickpocket for mind them. Don't go on and can't reach. If me give my mother $1,000 right now, she tell me say nah cover her bills them. Hey, why do you when me have friends? Sandra tell me say everything in the house mash up. The washing machine mash up. She tell me say the TV now work. What else mama say now work? Or the van, one loud sound under the van. Me no make her no wiser. Me no make her no wiser. You see that she a go off for the barrel them. Remember the dirty people say me can't go off, so I have to quarantine. But I take care of the mother though. But I don't take care of the mother more, no so don't mind man. Because man now watching no pick the phone no, and now them are left on the fastest. So but I don't know if I change take care of the mama. And don't scatter roses after them gone. I have to big up Sandra bless. Cause she never made me hungry and out of things yet. You know, so some man never get no good mother's love. That's why I'm unhappy, so I eat happy people. But Sandra ever loved me, and me was Sandra prize. Cause I was when me as 6, my brother them have to come up on them back. Me never used to walk. I when me as 4 or 5, my sister and my brother have to carry me. And them have to give me lunch every day. Them have to cook, make sure I get my lunch. And them have to wash me uniform for me. Me these spoil bad. That's why I'm extra so me these spoil. And sometimes as my brother look at me too, I'm ball and act like me a dead cause more she broke him up, kill him. Me this spoil bad. I was a drunk a long time me a the diva. From me a little girl I wear tunic, go to school and bloom as me was a diva. Little pitney. No, me been a diva. A long time days. I'm hungry. I got hot up some of the food I write about now. Mama cook some fish. I eat me I got hot up on them. And no dance nah keep. I'm gonna bring one nice little outfit for you tomorrow. Nothing nah keep. I'm bored in this house here. Nothing nah go on Jamaica people. Nothing. The dance nah keep tomorrow. And I know I keep the big dance, the local uptown niceness, nothing nah keep. Wanna send it come give me. I wanna go somewhere. Somebody can carry me out. I'm bored bad. Melissa and Andrew no make case come. Cause nothing nah go on a Kingston.
See Angela here.
I come off of the internet now, so I tell Angela me call her back. I tell the people in some board, cause nothing not go on.
You better take away your money from you.
Oh, present? Them change the US.
You try to find a king change for me.
You say want the US and forgive me Jamaican money.
Me don't want it.
Why?
Me husband don't know what US mean. Tell him. Tell him I hear me now. Let me tell him first man.
Wait till him say.
Me say try not go tell see and figure no US to me. No Jamaican dollar for me. Me don't want a Jamaican dollar US. My son come from and every picnic come from and give them parents their US money.
So when me get one US?
Me don't want me I go for the bank. Me have remember say me have US account.
Oh my God, you don't have no US account. I wait up come and go to the water today.
Where?
At the for the photo shoot. Put it on the line for mommy.
How can I photo shoot today? Make it. Oh yeah. So, how can I photo shoot today?
When it done, you will see it.
Who I go put you?
Rihanna and Beyonce.
Hello, yeah, tell.
Hey, what tell me about that for
Hello, then me have to come and find phone.
Mommy, can you make some repeat soup for me tomorrow?
Thursday, man. Me have to go market and get the things. I don't want to pick tail in it. You don't eat it.
Mommy, don't want to pick tail.
You're not eating.
Mama, we're not supposed to eat pig. I'm tell us a friend and pig. Don't Pinky tell me say Sonia call mama and tell her if you need meat for 1 month and mama nearly dead. Hey, anytime me go take up myself and move guy LA, nobody at LA and your meat. And me I try get my family them fin and your meat at the worst thing me could ever tell them.
See they can't come off my life.
Mommy, I would stop eat meat.
Yeah. Not, I mean, we can't find nothing for cook.
Ask the daughter because she know all of the vegan
She
food.
said she can't wait to come cook for me.
Me I go sleep. No, me I go see. Me I go sit down and elaborate my mother. Later. If the dancer keep tomorrow to tell me.
I wish for that.